this time, Leslee heads out to busy Bayshore Boulevard.
But Leslie, this speedbuster a bit different. You're taking a look at some surprising research regarding fatalities and seeing if it actually stands up with Tampa residents.
Yeah, I went out and talked to them. I tell you what, it's been known for a long time that speeding is dangerous. But did you know that a recent study shows that having that heavy foot can be just as deadly as drinking and driving?
The National Transportation and Safety Board recently released a 9-year study calling speeding a national safety issue. It shows fatal crashes related to speeding accounted for about 31% of all traffic fatalities. During that same period, fatal crashes involving drunk drivers equally represented 31%. Researchers say people are simply okay with breaking the law when it comes to speeding.
But then if you ask them, do you speed? They say yes. They know it's wrong, they know it's dangerous, they still do it. And whereas in alcohol, they know it's wrong, they know it's dangerous, and they don't do it, or they try not to do it.
So I headed out to a speeding hotspot to test the research on some Tampa residents.
Do you think speeding is bad?
Well, to a certain level. I think we all speed a little bit more than the limit is.
Do you think speeding is wrong?
Yes.
But do you speed?
Yes.
What about drinking and driving? I mean, do you think that that's bad?
Very bad.
Do you do that?
Absolutely not.
But just wait, it wouldn't be a speed buster without a lead foot.
All right, just got somebody at 57 miles per hour. We're on Bayshore and the speed limit is 40.
Then I told them the research shows just as many people are dying from speeding as drunk driving.
Yeah, I would think the drinking one would have been worse.
The NTSB points out that there are national programs to focus on the risks of drunk driving. However, there is no such nationwide program for speeding. Meanwhile, TPD has told me Bayshore is, of course, a top spot for speed patrolling, and people tell me they see people out there.
This is unbelievable. You know, probably there just haven't been enough campaigns about the dangers of speeding, because if it's equal to that of driving under the influence, that's pretty scary.
A lot of people just don't realize it, and they don't think they'll get caught either.
No, not at all. All right, Leslie Lacey, thank you so much. At 6:18 now.